Hi. I am trying to move my window touching here, but it's not possible. Only can do it clicking on the top bar. But, when I am pressing Alt and trying, it's working smoothly. I can move the window anywhere I want clicking on anywhere of the window. Even this is also happening with my Notepad. If you notice, I can also make this transparent to see the desktop or the background pressing Alt and mouse scroll. Interesting. Then let's learn how to do it. On Google, search for AltSnap. And get it from here. Download based on your PC bit, mostly 64. Simply install it. After successful installation, the menu will be here. Here you can see, many options are given including general, mouse, keyboard, blacklist, etc. You can play with them and get many more benefits from it. But by default I am showing you the 2 tasks. So, again. This is local send. I am moving it touching any place of the software pressing Alt. Also, the interface is being transparent to let us see the background of the interface. One more thing is, you need to start it every time you start your PC. But I have the solution. Simply go to Run. Type this. And add this icon to the list. Done. If you want to know more about adding items to startup, you can check the description for the YouTube video link. Please let us know further about the video. Be with us and also subscribe to inspire. Good day.